Welcome, future Legacy Titans, class of 2025. This presentation is brought to you by the Southwest Legacy High School Counseling Department, and I am Mrs. Vallejo, the lead counselor here at Legacy. This presentation will cover graduation requirements and the career pathways of choice for Southwest Legacy. In high school, you will need to earn something that is called a high school credit. High school is very different from middle school and elementary school, and it's important that you understand that in high school, you will need to gain credits to pass to the next grade level. For example, you will need to earn at least 6 credits at the end of your freshman or ninth grade year to be considered a sophomore or 10th grader the following year. So how do you earn a credit? Well, students can earn 1 credit for a course period that lasts all year. You will get a credit for every course that you successfully complete. What does this mean? It means that in order for you to get a credit, you will need to get a final grade of a 70 or higher to pass, and you will also need to have at least 90% attendance rate in that class to earn your credit. By the law of the state of Texas, you will need 26 credits to graduate. When students begin high school, they need to begin with the end in mind. It's important that they understand the end in mind is your high school diploma. The state of Texas offers a high school diploma that is called the Foundation Program with endorsements. In order to earn this diploma, you have to earn 26 credits along with an endorsement. The state of Texas tells students specifically which courses are absolutely required in order to earn a diploma. For example, English. Students need to earn 4 credits in English, which means that they would take an English class all 4 years. Math, 4 credits. Science, 4 credits. Social studies, 3 credits. A language other than English, 2 credits, which we offer Spanish. In fine arts, at minimum, students have to earn at least 1 credit. Some programs that students can choose from in the fine arts are art appreciation, band, color guard, jazz band, mariachi, orchestra, theater arts, theater productions, tech theater, dance, and choir. Students have to also earn 1 credit in PE. There are a few courses that will substitute for PE. Any of our athletic programs will substitute for PE. Marching band will substitute, and ROTC. This leaves 5.5 electives. Electives are courses that students get to choose. Along with the 26 credits, students have to earn what's called an endorsement. 8th grade students, this is so important that you're going through these presentations because you will have to choose what's called an endorsement and then earn at least 4 credits in your endorsement to earn a high school diploma. The 5 endorsements from the state of Texas are STEM, Business and Industry, Public Service, Arts and Humanities, Multidisciplinary. You will learn more about these endorsements later on in this presentation. So you have just learned about the Foundation Program with endorsements, which is your high school diploma. There's also a higher level that our students can earn, which is with a distinguished level of achievement. In order to earn this accolade, you will have to make sure that you take Algebra 2 in your math courses. So let's review. You have just learned about the Foundation plus endorsement, which is 26 credits to graduate. You learned about attendance, that you need 90% attendance in each of your classes in order to earn a credit. The other piece to earning a high school diploma are the STAR exams. In high school, we call them STAR EOC, end of course exams. You need to successfully pass all 5 STAR exams, which you will be tested in English 1, English 2, Algebra 1, Biology, and U.S. History.
Career and technology education allows students the opportunity to try out new skills and interests to determine their future pathway. We offer several career and technology pathways at Southwest Legacy. Let's take a look at a short video to help us think about our future, career pathway, and choices.
The National Honor Societies want to help you get future ready, and we've prepared a series of videos to help you along the way. This one is about career exploration. Deciding on a career, especially as a teenager, can be a scary thing. But at any age, it's important to take a good look at what you might like to do to earn a living. First and foremost, it is okay not to know. On average, people change jobs 7 times in their adult lives and 4 times before they turn 32. What is important is to get a general idea of what you like to do and what you're good at. This not only can help lead to a happy and successful career, but can save time and money in the future. Start by asking yourself, what is your favorite subject in school? Is it art? Think about a career as a graphic designer, a studio artist, or art teacher. How about music? This could lead to a career as an orchestra or band musician, or a music teacher. Do you like English? That's a good basis for being a writer or editor, or an English language instructor. What about math? Think about a career as an actuary, stockbroker, or financial planner. How about science? This interest and skill can lead to a career as a research scientist, forensic scientist, pharmacist, or chemist. Do you like social studies? Consider a career as a museum curator, anthropologist, government worker, or politician. There's also PE. You don't have to be a professional athlete to pursue this career path. Skill in physical education also leads to careers as a personal trainer, a parks and recreation director, or coach. Be honest with yourself. If you don't like a certain subject, it's okay. Focus on what you're good at and what you like to study. What is your passion versus your hobby? Are you passionate about the outdoors? Or do you enjoy being outside as a hobby, and would you be satisfied with an office job? Do you love being a member of the band but want to be an engineer? You can always find a community band to fulfill your interest in music. How long are you willing to be in school? If you have aspirations to be a doctor or lawyer, you might be in college for 6 to 8 years after high school. Take the time to research different types of college degrees, how long it takes to get each one, and where they can lead you. Continue to explore careers related to your favorite subject in school. Ask questions like, what education is needed to achieve this career? What is the average salary of someone in this career? Is this career limited to certain geographical areas, or can it be done anywhere? Who are some leading experts in that field? Do you know anyone in that field? Ask a trusted adult to help you find someone to interview or talk to using the interview sheet located in the Next Steps section of the NHS or NJHS Future Ready webpage. Let's recap our discussion about career exploration. Start your research now, but be flexible. Ideas and interests can change over time.
Under the Business and Industry endorsement, you will need a coherent sequence of courses for 4 or more credits of one of the CTE course clusters: audio, video, digital communication, automotive collision, automotive technology, business management, commercial photography, culinary, graphic design, or manufacturing and welding. Audio, video, digital communication. This program at Southwest Legacy High School provides students with instruction and hands-on experiences in broadcast quality video, both with news broadcast as well as short video projects, including PSAs, commercials, shorts, camera and editing experiences using full industry standard studio equipment, as well as editing in Adobe Premiere Pro. Students will soon have the opportunity to participate in regular news productions for the school, including sports, campus and community news, as well as become certified in Adobe Premiere Pro. The program is helping to prepare students with the skills and experiences to seek employment in the video/broadcast industry as editor or camera operators. Auto collision includes knowledge of the processes in technologies and materials used in the reconstruction of vehicles. It is designed to teach the concepts and theory of systems related to automotive collision repair and refinishing. Students work towards the practicum in transportation systems, which is designed to give students supervised practical application of knowledge and skills. Practicum experiences can occur in a variety of locations appropriate to the nature and level of experience, such as internships, mentorships, independent study, or laboratories. The practicum can be either school lab-based or work-based. The automotive program provides students with an opportunity to take classes as a part of an internship or practicum as electives, or simply to act as a springboard to find employment immediately after graduating high school. The program also offers several certifications that include Career Safe OSHA certification, Pro Cut on Vehicle Brake certification, Valvoline Ignition Program certification, certificates in motor oils, automotive fluids, customer service, interview skills, and resume building, automotive service excellence in brakes, engine repair, engine diagnostics, transmission, suspension, air conditioning, electrical and maintenance, and light repair. Students also have the opportunity to achieve a Toyota Texas Student Mentoring Program certificate from our partnership with Toyota Manufacturing of Texas. In business management, students gain knowledge and skills in economies and private enterprise systems, the impact of global business, the market of goods and services, advertising, and product pricing. Students analyze the sales process and financial management principles. Students also implement personal and interpersonal skills to strengthen individual performance in the workplace and in society, and make a successful transition to the workforce and post-secondary education. Students apply technical skills to address business applications of emerging technologies, create word processing documents, develop a spreadsheet, formulate a database, and make an electronic presentation using appropriate software. As students work through the different levels of business management, students relate to business management as well as the functions of management, including planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling. Students will also demonstrate interpersonal and project management skills. Students will also analyze various aspects of the legal environment, including ethics, the judicial system, contracts, personal property sales, negotiable instruments, agency and employment business organizations, risk management, and real property. The practicum in business management is designed to give students supervised practical application of previously studied knowledge and skills. Practicum experiences occur in a paid or unpaid arrangement and a variety of locations appropriate to the nature and level of experience. Students implement personal and interpersonal skills to strengthen individual performance in the workplace and in society to make a successful transition to the workforce or post-secondary education. Commercial photography. Students in this area work with Canon cameras, Adobe Photoshop, and Lightroom to edit and manage their photographs. They mentor with Live Touch Photography Studios for studio expertise and Digital Pro Labs for printing their work that is to be sold as fundraisers. Students in the advanced program become certified in Adobe Photoshop, ACA, and serve as the official prom photographers, raising monies to travel to students' competitions where they compete with high school students across the Southwest and attend hands-on classes with Pulitzer Prize-winning photographers. Many of these students begin their own work in photography business or attend college to pursue careers in photography. Culinary arts. Our culinary arts program focuses on the fundamentals and principles of cooking and the science behind baking. The students will have the ability to practice the skills being taught in our on-site culinary kitchen and are led step by step in our showroom. Our students are also given the opportunity to get actual business and industry experience in a commercial kitchen alongside professional chefs and food workers. All culinary students will be groomed to pass the Service Safe Food Manager's certification. In graphic design, the goal is for the students to understand arts, audio, video technology, and communication system. Within this context, students will be expected to develop an understanding of the various and multifaceted career opportunities in this cluster and the knowledge, skills, and educational requirements for those opportunities. In Graphic Design 1, Level 2, careers in graphic design and illustration span all aspects of advertising and visual communications industries. Within this context, in addition to developing knowledge and skills needed for success in the arts, audio, video, and technology, and communications career cluster, students will be expected to develop an understanding of the industry with a focus on fundamental elements and principles of visual art and design. In Level 3, graphic design and illustration span all aspects of the advertising and visual communication industries. Within this context, in addition to developing knowledge and skills needed for success in arts and audio, video, technology, communications, and career cluster, students will be expected to develop an understanding of the industry with a focus on fundamental elements and principles of visual arts and design. Students will create 2- and 3-dimensional projects and will participate in oral and written critiques of the design. In the practicum, in addition to developing technical knowledge and skills needed for success in AV technology and communication, students will be expected to develop a technical understanding of the industry with a focus on skill proficiency. Instruction may be delivered through a lab-based classroom experiences or career preparation opportunities. Manufacturing, also known as welding. Our welding courses through the manufacturing pathway provide students with training in welding process and in all welding positions using OFC, oxy-fuel cutting, shielded metal arc welding, gas metal arc welding, flux core arc welding, and gas tungsten arc welding. Emphasis is placed on safety as well as blueprint reading, properties of metal, metal identification, type and use of electrodes, welding rods, electrical principles, and welding symbols. Students start with planning and layout work, then progress to setting up and operating welding and cutting equipment. The use of manual specification charts, welding procedures, and understanding the welding standards established by the American Welding Society and American Society of Mechanical Engineers and American Petroleum Institute are also stressed. Training in the planning, layout, forming, joining, and fabrication of various shapes in light and heavy gauge sheet metals, plate, and pipe is provided. Inspection and testing process as well as procedures are also demonstrated and explained. As students show mastery, they will be able to take a practical welding examination to acquire an industry-recognized certification from one or more of the following welding codes: structural, steel, sheet metal, and pipeline welding.
Public Services Endorsement. Students can earn a Public Services Endorsement through the completion of a coherent sequence of courses for 4 or more credits in one of the following CTE course clusters: Cosmetology, Law Enforcement, JROTC, Teaching and Training. Cosmetology. In cosmetology, students learn about hair care, nail care, skin care, and can work towards earning their state cosmetology license. Law enforcement. In law enforcement, students learn about knowledge and skills in law, public safety, corrections, and security. The Teaching, Education, and Training program of study prepares CTE learners for careers related to teaching, instruction, and creation of instructional and enrichment materials. ROTC focuses on military drill, military etiquette, naval customs and traditions, and physical fitness. Leadership and communication skills, sea power, and the role of naval forces in history are also covered. The STEM program provides an overview of the various fields of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and their interrelationships. Cybersecurity focuses on the study of occupations and educational opportunities related to planning, implementing, upgrading, or monitoring security measures for the protection of networks and information.
Renewable energy is a program of study that falls under STEM. Courses in this program will combine science and technology, engineering, and math in order to better understand the role renewable energy will play in the future. Arts and Humanities Endorsement. In order for students to earn an Arts and Humanities endorsement, students must complete a coherent sequence of 4 credits from one or two of the following categories: art, band, choir, color guard, dance, mariachi, orchestra, or theater. Another way of earning the Arts and Humanities endorsement is for students to earn a total of 5 social studies credits, or 4 levels of the same language other than English. For example, this can be Spanish 1, 2, 3, and 4. Students interested in earning an endorsement in art will need to earn 4 credits in this pathway. Courses offered range from Art 1, which is a basic understanding of various art forms, through Art 4, which builds off of what students have learned in their previous years. Art 2 through 4 can be either 2D, which is based on drawing and shading, or 3-dimensional, which will have students work with sculptures and ceramics. In order to earn an endorsement in band, students will need to earn at least 4 credits. Band courses include both marching band as well as jazz band, which can be taken in conjunction with marching band. Students who are participating in band will also be expected to participate in both concerts and performances held throughout the year. Students wanting to earn an endorsement in choir will need to have choir each of their 4 years in high school. While in choir, students will learn about the basics of vocal technique, sight reading, music theory, and music history. Color guard is offered for students who want to be a part of the band program but do not play a musical instrument. Color guard students will learn the basics of marching fundamentals and basic color guard fundamentals such as spins, tosses, dance fundamentals, and choreography. Dance 1 is designed to introduce students to various styles of dance, including ballet, contemporary, hip-hop, cultural, and jazz. Emphasis is on the development of basic technical skills, rhythm, musicality, physical strength, and creativity. Instruction focuses on training the student to combine and coordinate all the elements of dance performance when set to music. Dance 1 is a general dance survey course and forms the foundation for Dance 2, 3, and 4. Mariachi is designed to provide students a working knowledge of the history of mariachi literature, costuming, stage presentation, and performance. The curriculum is highly performance-based. Students in this class actively participate in UIL assessments, solo and ensemble contests, and multiple community concerts. Scholarship opportunities are available. The ensemble activity performs at local, district, and city. Orchestra courses are designed for students who play the violin, viola, cello, and bass students interested in developing individual skills in music performance. Instruction includes a curriculum that allows for improved technical and lyrical skills that expand a student's understanding of the orchestra literature. Students in this class actively participate in community concerts. Pep Squad. The high school provides spirit organizations whose major functions are to serve as spirit, service, and performing groups for their schools. Pep Squad serves as an introductory organization which is designed to provide members with the basic skills needed to audition for cheer and/or dance team in the spring. Students do not have to audition to join Pep Squad, but they do have to submit a paper application that includes administration and teacher recommendations. There will be occasional events and performances that will require time outside of the school day. Theater arts. Theater arts is offered to students who have had no prior or limited theatrical training and will emphasize elements such as pantomime, stage movement, oral interpretation, physical theater knowledge, proper stagecraft, acting, and theater heritage. Theater Arts 1 is a survey or introductory course that requires that students perform memorized theatrical pieces, develop an understanding and appreciation for theatrical design, and create various theater projects throughout the course. This course has no required rehearsals outside of the academic school day. However, as students progress to Theater Arts 2 through 4, enrollment in the course will require time outside of the school day. Theater production. Theater production provides practical, hands-on experience in acting and stagecraft through preparation and public performances of plays. This curricular laboratory for the exploration, development, and synthesis of the elements of theater supplements other theater and technical theater courses that concentrate on theories, information, and techniques by providing for the integration and implementation of those ideas and skills. This course requires a commitment of time outside the academic school day, along with academic achievement in all other subjects.
Tech theater works behind the scenes of a stage production. In tech theater, you will work with scenery, lighting, costumes, and sound to make the production a success. Speaking Spanish is a valuable asset in our world. It will help you in all lines of work, for example, in business, to law, and education. Being bilingual will put your resume application above all of the rest. If you study Spanish in high school all 4 years, you will gain an arts and humanities endorsement. The multidisciplinary endorsement allows you to explore different electives and may help you to focus on advanced academics and dual credit electives in your schedule. Students who complete 4 math credits, 4 English credits, 4 science credits, and 4 social studies credits in their high school career will gain a multidisciplinary endorsement.